The Drda Youth Council West Khasi Hills District met with the Deputy Commissioner on Thursday to seek clarification over the recruitment process for the post of Technical Assistance in the District Rural Development Agency. HYC President Lumlang Kharsimli said that there were 58 applicants for the post, out of whom 7 were selected for personal interview by the screening committee. The list of selected candidates was displayed on March 16, 2023. However, on July 6th, another notice was issued stating that there would be a written examination for the selected candidates instead of a personal interview. The exam was held on July 19, 2023, wherein 7 candidates selected by the screening committee, including some extra candidates who did not appear in the list but appeared for the written examination. On August 1st, 3 candidates were selected for the final personal interview, including one of the extra candidate. The DC informed that the cancellation of the direct personal interview and the notice to instruct the candidate to take the written examination was due to the requirement of 1/3 ratio in the post. And now